Hey everyone, welcome to my channel on this super cold morning. This is going to be a quick review. I'm out here today with the Rlaarlo X12. This is a new buggy on the market, and the cool thing about it, besides it's carbon fiber for lightness, normally these are plastic or metal, with this all carbon fiber. Besides that, besides the fact that it has a 45 amp BSC, besides the fact that it has a professional grade receiver in it that you can add more items to the channels and control them with the included remote right here, which is a nice remote that's supposed to have 150 meter range. I'll put what that is in feet below. Not only all that, and not only is it brushless, and not only does it have oil-filled shocks, it's got everything. Look inside. Here, I'll show you a picture of what it looks like inside. It's really good and comes with a 2S battery. It can go claimed 100 kilometers per hour. I'll put what that is below. And that's on a 3S battery, not included. The 2S battery that comes with this, it is claimed it will go 80 kilometers per hour, and I'll put what that is in miles per hour below. So all in all, really good. Oh, and one more thing, let me grab it over here. It all comes in this beautiful case that looks like it's made out of carbon fiber. It's a carry case, everything fits in it, so when you buy this, it comes in this. I will warn you though, they do give you an accessory kit, and it's up to you if you want to put the wing on the back like I did and the big bumper on the front for high speed. As soon as you do that, it doesn't really fit in the case with the controller anymore. It's a little too large unless you really squish it in. You probably could squish it in. But with all that said, this, oh hang on, I'm killing my mic. With all that said, this here is still a good case to carry things around when you're coming out to drive RC cars. So since it's so cold right now, we're gonna take this out really quick and go test it out. Okay, first things first, power this baby on. There we go, that is on and ready to go. Now for this car, I have to take the cover off, and there's a power button in here. Where is it? It's over here. Power that on, the fan comes on, she comes alive, she makes a lot of sounds, and we're ready to go. I have the 2S included, where's the light? You can see the light here. I have the included 2S LiPo battery in it right here. So as I'm getting this ready to go, this first test is just to see how it drives on the included battery. So if you buy this, how does it run right out of the box? I haven't adjusted anything, no settings on the controller, nothing. If I need to trim anything, I'll do it on the run here, but it'll be a quick trim because it's cold. There's a wind just a blowing, and oh my god, it's going right through my bones. All right, this should get going. All right, here we go. Here we go. I'm just gonna take it around. I got gloves on, so it's not gonna be that great. Currently, good turning radius, no problems there. I like the way the light goes through the wheels. They glow orange. It's very weird. Pick up a little bit of speed here. Let's go. Well, boogies. Oh, it is very straight. It's very straight. And I have lots of control of it at distance, so this is a good thing. All right, so this means you could race this. Look at this, very straight. And brakes, that was brakes the whole way. Okay, let's do a quick speed test because I don't have a lot of time out here. So on top of the car, I have placed a GPS, Sky RC GPS with a display on it, and it should show me how fast this baby goes. So let's put it down and take it for a run. We'll do a few runs. So this is with the 2S battery that's included. And I'll bring it back. I don't want to crash because that GPS falls into pieces. It's a very fragile GPS, but here we come. Full blast back. It's a very straight driving car. So yeah, even a beginner could drive this and control it. I'm trying to control it with mitts on, well, gloves on here. So my gloves are very slippery, but I'm having no problem controlling this whatsoever. So this is really good. Let's go again. We'll check the speed after this one. Well-made car that it drives so straight. And put the brakes on. And let's go over here and we'll check it out. I'll see what it says on the display. So on the display, which you probably can't read, depending on the lighting and the angle, it says 60 kilometers per hour was the max speed on the included 2S battery. I'll put what that is below in miles per hour. Next thing I'm going to do is I have a 3S battery here. What is it? It's a 1500 milliamp hour 3S battery, LiPo battery, so it's quite large, and it should give me a lot more speed. Now a 3S battery like I'm using, it's a battery I use in my drones, my FPV drones, and they're very inexpensive. You can buy them on Amazon for like $20 or whatever like that. They're not expensive for a 3S, a good quality one. So for this one, I can't put gloves on because I have to, 3S is a lot of power, and my fingers were slipping all over on that unit there. Now, another thing I should mention as well. Because I didn't get the claim speeds, it could also be that this remote is not fully adjusted with this car. In other words, a lot of times when you buy something like this or any RC car, you have to set the endpoints, and I bet you the endpoints on here probably haven't been set. So I've just taken it out of the box to show you what you get out of the box, but in the instructions it actually tells you how to set the endpoints and do all sorts of things just to make sure you're getting everything perfect. So if you buy one of these, do what the instructions say, and don't be like me and come out on a freezing cold day and just get out here and drive it really fast and then walk away. Oh, it's cold on the hands. Here we go. I'm gonna try it over here now. It is far, far away now. I've still got full control of it with this controller. We're back. All right, here we go. Around me. It's very fast. Very, very fast. Too fast almost. One more try. There's full. There's full. Don't crash on me. Don't crash. Oh my God, it's way the heck down there. I still have control of it too. Woohoo, it's like a dot. Bring it back. Okay, that would have been good enough to catch the speed, I think. Whoa, this thing is craziness. Okay, I don't care what the speed is on this. If it had to go even faster than I was just going, it would be totally out of control on this thing. I don't know, what's it showing me on this thing? Oh my God. 95 kilometers per hour. That's fast. That is fast. All right, that was a blast. Now you probably saw, I don't know if I showed you in the video, there was a wipeout. I had a few wipeouts actually. I was trying to get some B-roll footage to show you the camera from the front. I put a DJI Action 2 camera up front and I hit one of those manhole covers and man, this thing just went flying in the air. And there's nothing wrong with it, nothing's messed up on it, but check out my Action 2 camera here. Let me just pull it off the front. It looks like it has gone through a war zone. Here, let me put it in front so you can see it. Look at that. It is made out of aluminum, but it is scraped to pieces, but it's still working. There's a picture of me. Yeah, it's still working. So, yeah, this is pretty decent. But overall, this car is phenomenal. And it's a good thing I put that bumper on the front because I have banged into a few things and man, does it save your bacon. So next thing I want to show you is what comes in the box if you buy this. So please check this out now. Your car actually comes in a carry case vice a box. And this carry case is not that bad. Inside you'll find your car and all the accessories. First accessory to check out is the 4-channel remote, and you can see it's very well designed. It actually has buttons for channel 3 and channel 4, as well as the power button. Opening up the top portion reveals all the trim controls. Please note that 4 AA batteries are required to power the remote. Next we have our buggy, and you'll notice that the wing at the back is not on, neither is the bumper at the front. We'll put those on later, but right now check out the paint scheme, it's really nice. And of course you have that beautiful carbon fiber chassis. At the bottom of the case you'll find the wing for the buggy, and it's very easy to attach with just 4 screws. More accessories are included in the upper portion of the case, such as documents and stickers, and of course the instruction manual, LiPo battery and battery charger. There is also a front bumper that you can attach if desired, and finally plenty of replacement parts are included in the kit. The steering is controlled by a metal gear servo, and of course you have forward speeds and reverse speeds. And finally, if you wish to customize your buggy, you do have channels 3 and 4, and you can see on the receiver where I'm pointing, you can add servos or controls or lights that operate off channels 3 and 4. My final thoughts are you get an awful lot for your money. This is an awful lot of buggy for your cash. The only thing it doesn't come with is the 3S battery that I stuck in afterwards. That's if you want to go insanely fast, so it's probably good that they do not provide it. It does come with the 2S, and like I said, just make sure you read the instructions and set your endpoints on your controller so that it's all configured with this, and you probably get a bit more speed with the 2S battery. I'm pretty sure if I had done that properly, even on the 3S battery, I would have got up to my 100 kilometers per hour. I'm pretty impressed with this. It's really good. I know they said they were going to put this on sale before Christmas, so the sale might be on right now. Check the links below and you can save money and not have to pay full price to get all this stuff. It's really good. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in a future video with many more reviews like this, and of course drones and planes and everything else. Until then, I say bye.